we're here in East Sussex in Rushlake Green, and this is our Wellis Danube W Flow swim spa, which we have had for 2 months now, and we're deliriously happy. It's fantastic. I swim in it probably about 5 times a week for an hour, so 5 hours a week, mainly front crawl. I've got the brownest back I've ever had, despite the British weather. The installation was easy. The guys at Wellis Sussex were fantastic. Harry was brilliant, and it's been easy to maintain and to use on a daily basis. I couldn't be happier. So far, the rest, my wife Ginny uses the swim spa, but the kids are very excited about using it, not so much for swimming, but more for the spa side.
We are thrilled to bits with our swim spa. It's a big decision to make, but we were thinking about the pros and cons, whether to get a pool dug or whether to get the swim spa, and actually we're so thrilled that we've made the decision that we did. It's so easy to use, and because you can put the heat up so easily without spending a fortune heating a whole pool, it means that we can just use it whenever. If it's cold outside, the water is still warm and we can still get in the pool, and it's absolutely lovely. The other thing about the swim spa is I really like the fact that it's half dug into the ground. So it really is very inoffensive. It's nice to look at.
We've already recommended the swim spa to friends and family, and we think one of our friends is already going to buy the same swim spa.
We thought we'd like the Wellis pool, and we were absolutely right. So we went and had a look. We weren't able to actually swim in it, so it was a leap of faith to a degree, but actually it's really good for swimming. But when we went to the Wellis Sussex and met Harry to talk about all the how it works, getting it here, there's quite a lot to think about, but he made it so easy for us.
One of the things I love about the swim spa is that it's a fantastic exercise tool. I use it because I love swimming, and it's great to practice your stroke, to try different things, but also to work really hard. But one bit of advice I give to everyone is to use the swim tether if you're a very, very keen swimmer, because it keeps your body positioned in the right place. It's a great way to get a very good swim.
I use it less often, but I absolutely love it. I do swim, but I'm not as keen a swimmer, but I do swim in it. And for me, I don't need the tether. Rob feels that it's much easier for him because he's a serious swimmer, he can really move. He needs the tether. But for me, if I just put it on the 3 pumps, that just keeps me swimming because I'm a breaststroker, so that's really easy for me. And it's nice, even if it's dark in the evening, you put the lights on, come out, the water's really warm. It's just lovely.